Stuck on the login screen? Follow these steps to troubleshoot, and let's solve it together. Let's start with check your internet connection. Make sure you are on a strong cellular data or Wi-Fi internet connection. Sometimes the login issue might be with the weak or unstable network connection. If the network is not the issue, then try disabling VPN. Open the Settings app and tap on General. Now scroll to the bottom and click on the VPN and Device Management option. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. If this method is not working, then try next. Update the app. Go to App Store. At the bottom, click on the search bar and search for the Instagram app. Then, tap on the app from the results. If you have an update available, then update the app. Make sure you have installed the latest version of the app. After that, try to log in. If it is not working, then offload and reinstall the app. For this, go to Settings app and tap on General. Now click on the iPhone storage option. Then scroll to find the Instagram app and tap on it. Here you will see the app details, then click on Offload App. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Offload App to confirm. This will uninstall the app from the device and free up the storage used by the app. Now reinstall the app and then try to log into your account. If it is not working, then try force restart. Press and release the volume up button and press and release the volume down button. Next, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Now, release the side buttons, and the device will restart shortly. After restarting the device, and try to log in. Still, if it is not working, then try next. After trying all the above steps, and the issue is still not fixed, then the problem might be with the Instagram servers. To check this, open the Safari browser. Now, at the bottom, click on the search bar and type Instagram server down to search. Next, tap on the first result, which is from downdetector.com. Here, you will see the Instagram server status. And if you find any issue within the servers, then wait till the servers are back to normal. After the servers are normal, try to log into your account to check whether it is working or not. If not, then try log in another device. Use another phone to log in and check if the issue is specific to your device. If it is the issue, then try contact Instagram help. Open the Safari browser. Now click on the search bar and type help.instagram.com to search. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on the hamburger icon. Here, click on Privacy, Security, and Reporting, and then tap on Login and Passwords. Next, scroll down and click on I can't log in, and follow the instructions to fix the issue. And that's it.